Hello guys, how you guys doing? I got something in the mail. Look like it's come from China. Look like China Post. Yeah, it comes from China right there. Has iPhone unboxing something over here. We're starting to open this. This beauty. Uh-huh. So let's see what we got over here. Oh, that thing is small. Looks so big in a, I think what it is. Whoa. That's what we got over here. F-22. Stunt flying aircraft. F-22. Easy to fly up air, large radio control plane series. F-22 Raptor. That's what we got today. So it looks so big when I order. When it looks like I order online, it looks like it's kind of big, but it don't seem like it's that big. It's kind of small, but let's get to it. There you go. It's been a while that I ordered this. Like it's been like probably a month because I took the free shipping. That's why. If it was you pay the shipping, you would ship it very lot faster. So. Wow. Okay. We got the plane over here. Right here. But I hope it's in English some too, because who will understand that? And we got, well, what is this? There's some ancient flying too. Wow, it's got some. Oh, these are only extra when you need to exchange them, and that's the charger. You charge it up, and there's the controller. It looks like it, but we need some batteries over here. What size of batteries we take? It's 3 batteries, double A's. 3 batteries, double A's right here. This is the controller. So. But we can do nothing about now. We gotta deal with this. Sometimes, what's this glue too? Like we have to glue something in here. I don't know where these goes. Some extra wings or something like that. Could be. But anyhow, I ordered for a while, so. What would you guys think about it? So that's what I got in the mail. We're gonna deal with this as soon as the weather gets this cold off away. As soon as the cold goes away, and then we're gonna do with that. So that's what it. Let me grab it. It's very light. It's like plastic right here. So it does charges. It charges through. That's how it looks. This is the motors. I got no wheels. It's automatic. It's like a styrofoam, so you can. That's how it looks like. F-22 Raptor. So right here. Okay, we're gonna have some fun as soon as the weather gets better. Okay. So, I hope you guys let me know what you guys think about it. That's how it looks like, this beauty. Okay, my friends, that's all I have to say. So, God bless you. I hope see you soon. This one looks even better. It looks like in a game. Yeah, F-22 Raptor. Oh, I see what they golden through wings. I figured that out. Okay. Thank you.